Once again, today we'll discuss how to create roles in IIM and how to add that roles to EBS. Okay, EBS.
Yeah, bro.
EBS environment creation. Yeah, man. First step is create a role in IIM for EBS access. Okay, role number one is inside the role we can add policies. First policy is AWS Elastic Beanstalk web tier. Stick Beanstalk web tier. Okay, this is the policy name. Second one is second policy AWS Elastic Beanstalk work tier. Control A, Control C. Here you can add same work tier. Yeah, fine. Third one is Elastic Beanstalk multi-container Docker. Multi-container Docker. These three policies is important for our EBS environment creation process. So, what is role? Role is a collection of
Bro, I cannot
policies.
see a
You can
screen. I cannot see a screen.
okay. Yeah, fine. Now, okay.
Yeah, okay.
First step is to create a role for EBS access. What is role is role contains collection of policies for our selected AWS resource or service. Okay. For our role, we need three policies. First policy is Elastic Beanstalk web tier. Next, Elastic Beanstalk work tier. Next, multi-container Docker. These three policies must and should for creating EBS environment. So now I will show you how to create that role. Go to your AWS console. After login to your AWS console, next you can go II, Identity Access Management. Go to roles. Create a role. Here you can select EC2. Click on next. Here you can select EBS. Okay. Elastic Beanstalk. Beanstalk. Click on enter. Yeah. It's totally confusing, so we need to enter total name. Elastic Beanstalk web tier. Yeah, this one. Click on checkbox. Next, close this one. Next, again, you can search second policy. Elastic Beanstalk work tier. Not work tier, worker tier. So that's why it's showing there. Control C, Control V. Here you can add worker tier. Once again, you can check worker tier. Yeah, Elastic Beanstalk. Yeah, this one, worker tier. Select this one. Next, close. Next one is multi-container Docker. Multi-container Docker. Yeah, next click on next. Here we are attaching our required 3 policies. So you can take screen print. Here I can write here, yes, worker type. Okay, fine. Yep, fine. Here you can give your role name. Here I am giving my Elastic Beanstalk role. Click on create a role. It's creating. Yeah, role created successfully. Next, B step. Create EBS environment. In AWS console. Next, go to your AWS console homepage. Click on Elastic Beanstalk. Go to Environments. Here you can create an environment. Click on Create Environment. Here you can give any name, not an issue. Here I am giving my EBS. We can select here Java platform. Click on Next. Here you can select your role. This is already we created one role for EBS. That is the My Elastic Beanstalk role. Okay, you can select that role. Next, click on key pair option. You can select your key pair. Here also you can select My Elastic Beanstalk role. Okay, click on Next. Click on Public IP access. Next, skip to review. Next, you can click Submit. Next, it will take mostly 5 to 10 minutes time. So after that, we can do step number C. C is create a jar file for our code, for our source code. Source code means developer's code. Okay. Next, go to your GitHub account. Copy this URL. Open Git Bash or CMD, whatever may be. Based upon your interest, you can select CMD or Git Bash. Okay. Yeah. Now I am going to desktop folder. I'm going downloads. Downloads. Here I'm creating NK dir my EBS application. Okay. CD my EBS application. Okay, fine. Here you can clone that developer code from GitHub. Git clone, paste it here, click on enter. Next, give ls, go to that application. Here you can give mvn clean install. downloads. So go to downloads, my EBS application, banking application, go to targets. This is our jar file. So we need to upload this file in EBS environment. Last step, deploy jar file into EBS environment. Okay, fine. Go to your Elastic Beanstalk environment. It shows error. What happened? Verify that configured correctly. If you want to check this jar is working or not, you can check here. CD targets, give ls. You can give the command java -jar -jar and this jar name. Click on enter. This application, it will run on port number 2510. Yeah, it's running fine. Next, go to your browser. You can take new tab. Already I told you port number is 2510, localhost 2510. So it's working. You can go to new registration page. If you want, you can enter any details, not an issue. Next, if you want, you can click on edit. Here, this is edit options. Here you can do I'm changing savings to customer. Click on save. Yeah, ID number 2 is changed, savings to customer. Okay. If you want, you can click on delete. It can delete. Okay. So this application we need to deploy in EBS same way. Okay. Here this is the local server. That's why here we are giving localhost. Okay. Upload. Select this application. Go to downloads, my application, banking application, targets. Click on deploy. Now you can check URL. Yeah, it shows 502 bad gateway. Why it's showing like this is our application will run on port number 2510. So we can give here 2510. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay. Maybe something is version problems. That's why it shows warning. So you can ignore it. Okay. Not an issue. Our main aim is to deploy our application in EBS. And next we can access using this domain URL. Okay. Click on this URL. Here you can give 2510. Okay. It's working. Okay. Got it? What I am saying? Ignore this warning error. It is not a big issue.